Welcome to the Android news, and this is Thursday, September the 20th, 2018. And of course, today in our Android and Google news, we have some more leaks as we keep hearing that there will be some new Chromebooks announced at a Google event on October 9th. Some new leaks are suggesting that a two-in-one device called Nocturne is showing up. So this is what it might be look like. It might be this tablet and, turn into a laptop if needed. Going to be interesting to see this Chromebook show up. Well, Essential Phone, it was amazing everybody because it's the first to adopt Android 9 Pie outside of the Pixel phones and has been really up to date with everything on updates. Well, it now confirmed that the Android Q, the next version of Android, will also be on the Essential device. And this is kind of interesting, giving it a very positive outlook on the upgrades and upgrade speeds. Want to take notes? Well, Google Keep has changed its name, or will be changing its name soon, to Google Keep Notes. But the app itself has not changed. It's just really a note-taking app. But we will take a look at this, as today this will be our app of the day for the Android channel. Well, have you used Incognito mode in Google Chrome browser? It's also available in YouTube. Well, Google might be thinking of renaming it private mode, as it seems to indicate, or maybe show that it's a little more clearer as to what it is. So, of course, it's still called Incognito right now, but maybe at some point in an update we'll have private mode instead. And the Nokia 7 Plus smartphone is the first non-Pixel phone to incorporate the new digital well-being features that, of course, Google wants to push through Android. And basically this is to try to have you understand how you're using a technology and have it used in a way that is healthier for you. So this is interesting, and I guess it will slowly be pushed to more and more devices as time goes by. But of course, you'll need to be on the Android 9 Pie to have this. If you use Google Maps, you now have new photos section in the tabs that will display pictures of areas you've been, areas you want to be, areas you're looking at, and basically that will give you some virtual visits of different places around the world. So, of course, that's rolling out right now. So you can check that Photos side on the app. And this was the Android and Google News for September the 20th, 2018. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.